My country people, congratulations to actress Ekene Umenwa and her husband as they welcome their first child. This girl sabi keep secret too. If you see the way Ekene Umenwa just dey give you gbasgbos to people wey dey talk say she carry belle, then she was like, "Now you give me belle, where you see belle?" This girl sabi keep secret. Online in-laws try their best to detect say, "Mama, you carry belle." Na so this woman dey talk say, "I don't carry anything. Una see me with belle." Now when she don born, she don finally come to the general public talk say she don born. No, make we help her thank Baba God. Now so she even do when her husband proposed to her. Then this girl sabi keep secret. Congratulations to her. Her baby is so fine. Guys, let's celebrate her and thank Baba God for her. And this her attire is so fine, like she's honoring Virgin Mary, thanking her as well. This girl, you are blessed. Guys, let's celebrate her. It's not that easy, coming out from labor room is not easy. Let's thank Baba God for her. Okay guys, stay safe out there. Please, if this is your first time coming across my channel, you're welcome. My name is gistlover. Do well to like, comment, share my videos. See, they give me one kind of encouragement to continue. I beg, if you never subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the link on my bio and subscribe. It's totally free. I beg, support your army girl. They easy to they bring gist, they come. When I know see they do it for my page. No moment at all. Okay, my people, stay safe out there. Bye.